Lockdown in full effect in Nilip constituency. Good morning and a very warm welcome to Karbi Anglong Live Morning News. I'm your host Julie Baby, bringing you the latest news for this morning. Now the news in details. Lockdown guidelines and rules was in full effect in several villages under Jokiohola and Koilamati area, and as per the government's guidelines, all shops and markets have remained shut in accordance to the time notified. In view of the rise of COVID-19 cases in the state and the hill districts, the notification issued by the government of Assam was strictly implemented by the people of the area, and the same was being equally supported by the local residents. However, local residents of these areas have urged upon the district administration to take measures for setting up COVID-19 testing decks at the Karbi Anglong Golaghat border in order to strengthen the preventive measures and protect the lives of people on both sides of the district. Meanwhile, BPHC medical officer Dr. Tenjing Ingti informed Karbi Anglong Live that 4 persons have been tested positive for COVID in Jokiohola area, and therefore local people of the area must now remain on constant alert by staying indoor and avoid unnecessary travels in order to protect themselves and others too.
Nang tum ke apporting curfew arona ting nang tum kroy dum kroy de
Itum ke kroy dum lo non to ke hone curfew aron ke pathik nang ko pathik tiat posi non ta kroy dum nang ko lo dak long ko lo tiar lo anta hone la dokan anta hone bon lap lo ye bon lap en aku kapre ka tum dan aku na pa luji phanda mane kisang rang ko son lo ko lo he men aku kapre ko mani tum phanda lang chari dun bom nangkop manila dak non nang le tum phan nang sunuri talang.
Samson Ingti from Koilamati and Sanjit Crow from Jokiohola for Karbi Anglong Live. Following the death of one of its villager on May 17 due to COVID-19, Jonji Karbi Youth Club on Wednesday organized an awareness program among the villagers and distributed free masks among them. On May 17, Kawi Ingtipi, wife of Borjarani villager Sudan Rongpi, passed away after falling ill due to COVID-19 virus, and the first death in their village has sparked great fear and concerns among the entire village. Following this, the Jonji Karbi Youth Club carried out an awareness program in their village, during which several vital information with regard to the latest government's order and COVID-19 infection prevention related measures were explained in detail to the villagers. The organizer urged upon the villagers for full support towards the government's effort in containing the spread of the virus and to stay on constant alert by maintaining the issued protocols. In addition to this, the club also distributed free masks among the villagers who were asked to always put on and keep a safe distance from anyone during these pandemic times. While speaking to Karbi Anglong Live, the Jonji Karbi Youth Club spokesman Sunil Teron, Cultural Secretary Hempru Taro, Finance Secretary Rakesh Bey and Anil Rongphar stated that they would continue to organize similar program in the coming days. Chandra Singh Rongpi's report from Biswanath for Karbi Anglong Live. With the aim of assisting poor families affected by the lockdown, the Jaipong Lems Cooperative Society distributed 5 kgs of rice to each family in Jaipong on Wednesday. The free rice was distributed to the families of the village to help them cope with the food crisis they have been facing due to the prevailing lockdown. The free rice was distributed to the ration card holders of the village, who were also seen using facial masks and maintaining distance as per the government's COVID guidelines. Administration and Economic Reforms Chairman Uttam Brahma and Langhin VDC Secretary Krishna Basumatari were also present as observers during the free rice distribution program carried out by the Jaipong Lems Cooperative Society. While speaking to Karbi Anglong Live, Administrative and Economic Reforms Chairman Uttam Brahma also informed that rice is being distributed only to ration card holders and there has not been any direction for the non-ration card holders.
ইয়াত আজি আমাৰ জাইপং লেম্পছ সহ লাংহিন সমষ্টিৰ অন্তৰ্গত লেম্পছবিলাকত প্ৰায় এডিশ্যনেল চাউলটো দি থকা হৈছে। আজি ইয়াত আমি আহি দেখিছোঁ জাইপং লেম্পছেও সেই এডিশ্যনেল চাউলটো ৰাইজৰ মাজত বিলাই দিছে। কোভিডৰ গাইডলাইন পালন কৰি পেলাই গোটেই ৰাইজৰ মাজত চাউল বিলাই আছে আজিৰ পৰা আৰম্ভণি কৰিছে আমাৰ এই লাংহিন বিডিচিৰ ছেক্ৰেটাৰী আমাৰ লেমছৰ চেয়াৰমেন ছেক্ৰেটাৰী আৰু আমাৰ মেম্বাৰসকল আছে ৰাইজ আছে যথেষ্ট মানে সমাগম হৈছে আৰু চাউল এনেধৰণে কোভিডৰ গাইডলাইন মানি পেলাই 11 বজালৈকে দি থাকিব গতিকে আহি পেলাই ভাল দেখিছোঁ এই জাইপং এৰিয়াত চাউলৰ পৰিমাণ যিমান আহিছে আৰু এতিয়াতো কাৰ্ডৰ এগেইনষ্টত দি থকা হৈছে নিশ্চয় কোভিডৰ এই ক্ৰাইচিছৰ সময়ত নিশ্চয় কাৰ্ড নথকাবিলাকৰ কাৰণেও নিশ্চয় দিব চৰকাৰে যথেষ্টখিনি চৰকাৰে কৰি আছে কাম এই বিজেপি চৰকাৰে এতিয়া হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰীৰ নেতৃত্বত আমাৰ তুলিৰাম ৰহাং ছাৰ আছে CM মাননীয় CM কাৰ্বি আংলং অট'নমাছ কাউন্সিলত তেওঁলোকে ৰাজ্যৰ অভাৱ অভিযোগ বুজ ল'বলৈ আমাক পঠাই দিছে আৰু সেইমতে আমি ইয়াত আহি দেখিছোঁ হয় আজিৰ পৰা জাইপং লেমছে দি আছে এইটো যথেষ্ট ৰাইজে ভাল পাইছে উপকাৰ হৈছে ৰাইজৰ কাৰণে মই এইটো ধন্যবাদ জনাইছোঁ
Sarpang Ringtikatha's report from Langhin for Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that is all we have with us for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.